Woodpecker's gauge blocks revolutionize woodworking machinery setup, ensuring precision with aircraft-grade aluminum construction and 1 by 1,000th of an inch accuracy. Offering convenience, these blocks come in various sizes and sets, eliminating tedious measuring and facilitating quick adjustments for machines like table saws. Versatility is key, with standard blocks, angle blocks, and portable one-time tools. Durable and chemical resistant, these blocks promise longevity without material damage. Users benefit from time savings, heightened accuracy, and increased confidence in woodworking projects. For a reliable and efficient solution to machine setup, Woodpecker's gauge blocks are highly recommended. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a versatile table saw jig guide crafted for making precise and secure thin rips in your woodworking projects. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it incorporates a one-way roller bearing to prevent kickback, ensuring safety during operation. The jig's zero-clearance design guarantees accurate cuts, making it a reliable tool for woodworkers who require precision in their work. Using the jig is straightforward. Slide it into your table saw's miter slot, adjust the desired width, and effortlessly make repetitive cuts by sliding your workpiece against the jig. This tool stands out for its safety features, ease of use, and ability to deliver accurate results. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is an excellent choice for your woodworking needs. The Wolfcraft 619-7000 Jigsaw Table is a versatile and user-friendly accessory, designed to elevate the precision of jigsaw cuts. Crafted from durable galvanized steel, it boasts a spacious 320 by 300 mm worktop compatible with most standard jigsaws. The inclusion of a parallel stop facilitates straight cuts at adjustable angles, and the 2 steel clamps secure the table firmly to your workbench. This jigsaw table not only ensures accuracy, but also prevents top surface chipping or tearing by allowing cuts from the material's underside. Setting up the Wolfcraft 619-7000 is straightforward. Clamp it to your workbench, attach your jigsaw, and start cutting. Its adjustable parallel stop and clear markings make customization and material alignment easy. The Hedgehog push block is a woodworking essential, ensuring safety and precision when maneuvering materials around blades and bits on machinery like table saws, router tables, and jointers. Its offset handle maintains a safe distance from spinning blades, minimizing injury risks, while the angled grip enhances control. Crafted from glass fiber-reinforced nylon, the block is sturdy and shatter-resistant, suitable for robust tasks. The neoprene strip provides a secure grip without marking the workpiece, preventing wood damage. With its heel designed for added stability by hooking onto the workpiece's edge, the Hedgehog push block is a cost-effective safety investment, particularly beneficial for woodworkers frequently utilizing power tools. Ework bench dog clamps are essential tools designed for woodworking with bench dog holes, providing a robust solution for securing workpieces on benches. Crafted from durable steel, these clamps feature a quick release mechanism for easy operation and offer a strong clamping force of up to 155 lbs. Their versatile options, including standard bench dog, edge, and right angle clamps, cater to various woodworking needs. With rubber-padded jaws, they protect workpieces from potential damage. Affordable and suitable for woodworkers of all levels, Ework bench dog clamps contribute to enhanced workshop efficiency and precision. Choose based on hole size, project demands, and budget for optimal performance. The Virutex cutting machine RZ270S is a powerhouse designed for precision cutting in various materials, making it ideal for professional floor covering installers. With a robust 1300 watts motor, it effortlessly handles tough cuts, boasting a cutting depth of 0 to 47 millimeters and adjustable height for delicate or thicker materials. Operating at 5,000 RPM, it ensures efficient and fast cutting, while its lightweight and portable design enhances transportability. The machine's thoughtful features include a dust collection system, providing a cleaner workspace. The package includes a carbide saw blade, dust collection pipe, carrying case, and service keys, offering excellent value for professional installers. The RZ270S is a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective choice for versatile cutting tasks. The Woodraphic Professional Dual-Function Vernier Calipers offer versatility by seamlessly transitioning between measuring and marking tasks. Crafted from lightweight and durable anodized aluminum, these calipers feature a laser-etched scale for easy readability. Equipped with a depth gauge attachment, they excel at measuring object thickness. Whether gauging inside and outside dimensions, depths, or angles, these calipers deliver accuracy. Additionally, they prove handy for marking lines, drawing squares, and checking angles, making them an essential tool for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts. With durability, precision, and multifunctionality, the Woodraphic Professional Dual-Function Vernier calipers are an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable measuring tool. Blockcision setup blocks are precision-crafted woodworking tools designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency in your projects. With an impressive plus or minus 0.01 accuracy, these blocks ensure precise setups for various woodworking tasks. The set of 16 blocks offers versatility by allowing hundreds of combinations for measurements ranging from 1/16 to 1 in 1/32 increments. The unique ruler markings on each block provide quick on-the-fly measurements, eliminating the need for a separate ruler. Constructed from durable anodized aluminum, these blocks offer strength and corrosion resistance. The set comes with a convenient carrying case, making storage and transport hassle-free. By saving time, improving accuracy, and reducing frustration, Blockcision setup blocks prove to be a valuable asset for woodworkers. The Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle stands out as a versatile and practical marking tool designed for simplifying measurements and angle transfers on three-dimensional workpieces. With its unique rectangular shape, it effortlessly wraps around corners and curves, enabling precise markings on all sides of various objects, such as beams, pipes, and irregular shapes. The tool features preset stops for quick and accurate 45° and 90° angle markings, along with a free angle marking scale covering 0° to 90°. Additional functions include serving as a marking gauge for parallel lines and a drill gauge for determining bit diameter. Constructed with high-quality plastic, this tool offers durability for long-lasting use. The Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table is a transformative attachment that enhances your Dremel rotary tool's versatility for various light-duty woodworking tasks. Whether you're shaping, detailing, sanding, or grooving, this attachment provides precision and control, adapting to both conventional and irregular shapes. With features like a compact design, bench-mounted precision, a three-way adjustable fence, and a large work table, it caters to a range of project sizes while ensuring accuracy. The depth adjustment screw allows precise control, and its compatibility with most corded Dremel rotary tools makes it a valuable addition to your workspace. Ideal for crafting, DIY projects, and small-scale woodworking. This attachment is both compact and efficient, providing the precision needed for detailed work in a variety of materials. Woodpeckers Rabbet gauges, crafted by the reputable woodworking tool manufacturer Woodpeckers, are indispensable tools for woodworkers seeking efficient and precise rabbet layouts before cutting. These 4-inch aluminum blocks feature 4 steps along each edge in 1/16-inch increments, facilitating the quick outlining of finished rabbets. The gauges, available in sets of 3, cover various rabbet depths, with the most common set ranging from 1/16-inch to 3/4-inch. Machined to exact tolerances, these gauges ensure accurate rabbet sizes, saving time and enhancing cutting precision. Their compact design and durable construction make them convenient and long-lasting, appealing to woodworkers aiming for efficiency and accuracy in their projects. The Kreg inline clamp is a powerful and versatile tool designed for various woodworking applications. With an impressive clamping force of up to 250 ELBs, it allows for secure holding of workpieces or assemblies. Its swiveling capability enables clamping from any angle, providing flexibility in different woodworking scenarios. The clamp's low-profile design ensures it stays inconspicuous during work, and its compatibility with 3/4 diameter holes makes it suitable for use with Kreg's Mobile Project Center and other workbenches featuring dog holes. For woodworkers seeking a reliable and adaptable clamping solution, the Kreg inline clamp is an excellent choice. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile tool suitable for a range of tasks in woodworking. Its applications include measuring and transferring angles within the 30° to 180° range. with an automatic angle bisector facilitating accurate mitre angle cutting. Additionally, the gauge features a built-in marking knife for directly marking angles on workpieces and telescopic corner calipers for measuring outside corners. Constructed from high-quality plastic and metal, the gauge ensures durability and longevity. Its easy-to-read scale, locking mechanism, and built-in spirit level enhance usability, providing accurate and level measurements. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge proves to be a valuable and versatile tool for various projects. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge is a preferred choice for woodworkers requiring accuracy in mitre cuts. Notable features include precision-machined positive stops at common angles, a spring-loaded stop with a low-profile knob, and a machined hairline indicator for precise adjustments. The 18 rigid steel mitre bar fits both T-slot and standard 3/8 by 3/4 mitre slots, offering versatility, and includes a 1-2 hole for easy hanging storage. With easy-to-grip rubber over mold on all knobs, it ensures comfort during use. The tool-free mounting option for a shop-made fence adds convenience. Its durability, ease of adjustment, and compatibility with various table saws make it an excellent investment for accurate and repeatable mitre cuts. The Milescraft 40/16 BenchLock is a versatile bench clamp base designed for creating a flexible clamping station on your workbench. Compatible with Milescraft bench clamps and other popular brands, it features a 360-degree rotating base for easy positioning and a built-in V-groove for clamping round or irregularly shaped objects. Crafted from durable steel with a black powder coat finish, it ensures longevity. The included pocket hole alignment accessory facilitates the creation of perfect pocket hole joints. With compatibility for 3/4, 19mm, or 20mm bench dog holes, built-in measurements for various board widths, and a weight of 1.3 pounds, the BenchLock offers versatility and convenience for woodworking projects. The Mini Hedgehog hold-down featherboard is a compact and versatile accessory suitable for both table saws and router tables. Designed to enhance safety and accuracy, it securely holds workpieces against the fence to prevent kickback. Its unique spiral design enables one-handed adjustability, accommodating various material thicknesses effortlessly. The featherboard comes with a T-bolt for convenient mounting to a standard 1/2-inch T-slot. Crafted from durable HDPE plastic, the Mini Hedgehog package includes 2 feather boards, 2 comfort grip knobs, and 2 1/420 T-bolts. This affordable and user-friendly featherboard is a valuable addition to any woodshop, contributing to improved woodworking precision and efficiency. The Neoteck Aluminum Digital Angle Finder is a robust measuring tool designed for determining angles with precision. Crafted from durable aluminum, it features a large, easy-to-read LCD display, along with built-in horizontal and vertical bubble levels for accuracy. Offered in 2 versions, the 16-inch model provides a 225-degree range with an integrated ruler and level vial, while the portable 7-inch model covers 360 degrees. Both models offer an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees at an affordable price, typically around $30. Users appreciate its reliability, ease of use, and durability, though some mention a slightly dim backlight. While not waterproof, dustproof, or shockproof, it serves as a cost-effective and efficient digital angle measuring solution for various applications. The Woodraphic Dovetail Saw Guide System is a valuable tool for woodworkers seeking precision in creating dovetail joints. Available in 1/6 and 1/8 ratios, it attaches magnetically to your handsaw, aiding in achieving the correct angles for pins and tails. The 1/6 ratio suits most woodworking projects, while the 1/8 ratio offers increased joint strength. Simple to use, select the appropriate ratio, attach the guide, and saw along the workpiece edge for accurate joints. Suitable for all skill levels, this guide ensures the creation of strong and precise dovetail joints. Made from durable materials, it provides excellent value for its price, making it an ideal choice for woodworkers. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2Go is an innovative push-block system designed for enhanced safety and precision when using a table saw. Manufactured in the USA, it features proprietary green GRR-RIPPER material for exceptional grip, preventing workpiece slippage. With precision legs allowing a minimum cutting width of 5/16, it excels in making thin cuts. Anti-kickback wings and a downward pressure pad contribute to kickback prevention. Versatile in applications, the GRR-RIPPER 2 Go is suitable for ripping, jointing, and resawing. Ideal for woodworkers of all levels. It is affordably priced, providing excellent value. Remember to follow usage instructions and maintain other safety practices when using a table saw. Overall, the GRR-RIPPER 2 Go is a valuable tool to enhance safety and precision in table saw operations. The Virutex CO15L laminate cutter is a versatile tool designed for efficiently ripping laminate and veneer into clean, splinter-free strips. Its double-wheel cutting system ensures precise results without chipping or cracking. The cutter allows adjustable cutting depth ranging from 0 to 2 mm and cutting width from 12 mm to 110 mm. Micrometric adjustment knobs enable fine-tuning for enhanced precision. With a durable construction, ergonomic design, and easy-to-use controls, the CO15L is suitable for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing glasses and gloves, ensuring material quality, securely clamping the material, and allowing the cutter to move smoothly without force. Proper care ensures the Virutex CO15L laminate cutter remains a valuable asset in your woodworking toolkit. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.